Hey there, Karma Guy here. You won't believe the value in this incredible ride. We've got an amazing vehicle with a dealer service history that includes 54 records. That's right, 54. Recently, we invested over $515 in service, ensuring it's in top-notch condition, and it comes with current Georgia state emissions. This beauty is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. Plus, we offer a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price when you buy. What's been done recently? We've replaced the spark plugs, conducted a thorough pre-delivery inspection, and updated both the air filter and cabin air filter. It's ready for you to hit the road. And remember, we always encourage a pre-purchase inspection for your peace of mind. Want even more coverage? Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade available at the time of sale. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Swing by and take it for a spin today.